doesn't know me.
Okay.
Tosin was here and was asking me who I was.
He's asking you who you are because he doesn't know you. Is that not what people do? Where is this conversation going to?
Oh, wait, are you listening to yourself? You said he's your friend. Your friend, you have a friend who doesn't know about your girlfriend. Is this the kind of thing you...
I should try to finish something here.
Stop. Okay, stop. Baby, I'm trying to concentrate.
Okay. I'm trying to concentrate too.
Stop it. Okay. Stop. No, stop.
What do you mean stop now? And what do you mean stop now?
You're touching my body and I don't want it, so I'm telling you to stop.
Okay, as you are touching your body and you don't want it, is it Tosin I should go and touch? Eh? Is this Tosin's body I should go and touch?
Wait, so I don't have the right to tell you to stop because is this your body? I don't get it.
But why are you here? Why are you here? That's what I want to know.
So I don't understand. Being here with you actually gives you a ticket for you to actually start touching me. It is quarantine and I can't go home because it's my area 6.
It is quarantine.
I don't even want to start
and
with you.
Why are you here? That's not enough reason. Why are you here? Because I don't understand why I want to touch you and all of a sudden you just... What do you mean by stop now?
Why can't I be in my boyfriend's house and actually just be able to stay normally without you?
We've been staying normally for... Don't give me that. We've been staying normally for how many hours? We've been here for how many hours staying normally?
I don't even want to start this with you. Because I don't even know what you're talking about.
This is unfair. This is very, very unfair.
Unfair how?
I can't touch you. I can't make out with you. You're my girlfriend.
I don't understand. It couldn't have been something I said that is actually bringing this up. Because I don't get what is happening right now. Oh. Could that have been why Tosin came over the other time and gave me a condom? Because I'm wondering why you actually went to wash your hand and you disappeared for so long. So you just all your plan for him to come up and give me some talk and some pep talk about how I will need it and probably be staying safe. That is what you are planning. So that's what you do with other girls, right? That is exactly what Tosin did with a girl on this bed. That is what you do with other girls. So you just plan it.
What is going on in your head? What is happening in your head? Somebody came and, like you said, gave you a condom to use, and all of a sudden I'm cheating on you because I want to touch you. Make it make sense, dear God. What is happening in your head?
Is that not the kind of friends you keep? You want to tell me that you don't do the same thing your friends are doing? I mean, you can open your door widely for
so because my friends are sleeping around with other girls, it means I'm also sleeping around with other girls because I want to touch you. Can you hear yourself? Do you hear the words that come out of your mouth?
It's your friend, it's not mine. Someone once said, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are.
It is not your fault. It is not your fault, Nnamdi. Just make person pay his hand for no reason.
It's business. I didn't tell you to start touching. And it's pronounced penis.
At this point, I'm tired. I won't even lie, I'm completely frustrated. Like, what just happened? I cannot try and touch my girl again. I don't understand. I don't understand. Someone should come and save me. I'm tired. And now she's even insinuating that I'm having sex with other people because I want to try and, like, I'm tired.
It's not every relationship that has to be immediately emotionally physical. Just because I'm in your house, I don't understand why that. And then how can you have a group of friends and say you don't behave the same way. So why are you keeping friends and you don't behave the same way? I mean, are you not supposed to keep a circle of friends that are just like you? If your friend is the kind that actually can go to someone else's house and sleep with a girl, definitely you sleeping in someone else's house means that you can't actually take the girl to your house because you're hiding something. And to the extent of forgetting condoms there, and you want to tell me that kind of friend is not exactly the way you want, you will have thrown away that kind of friend now. Touch somebody. Why? Why is it always about sex with men? There's so many ways to connect emotionally, but it's not always about physical touch and sex.